I'll go step by step to show how to upload a YouTube video into your channel. So first, as I told you, have to create your own channel by logging into YouTube and creating an account for yourself. Then you will see this page where you have to press on this button called create. Once you press on the button called create, it will ask you to upload the videos. So your video should be in the file where you want to upload it from. So once you click on the upload videos button, you will get a picture like this where you go to select the videos. So select the file. I am having a file called PUJ with urinoma. This is the video I would like to upload. So once I click on that and I click open, then the video gets uploaded into the YouTube channel. As you can see, after that video gets start to upload, you will see this screen wherein you will get the details of the title. You can give any title you want, or by default whatever is the name of the file will come. Supposing I want to change it to PUJ with urinoma in a 9-month-old. So I can do that. Then I have to give a description of the whole video. What does the video mean, how it was done, or any other information you would like to give about the video, you type it here. Then after you give the description, there will be a thing called thumbnail. In the thumbnail, you can either give a good picture of the whole video in the beginning, or by automatically it will generate a picture out of the whole video. So if you like that picture, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can put another picture of the same video in this image, and then that will be the face of your video. Whenever somebody is seeing the video, it will immediately upload into that video. So that picture has to be a face of the video. Then you will get this next screen. What is the audience you would like to see the video? Is it made for kids or it is not made for kids? So you have to choose the not made for kids. And does it have a age restriction? You have to do it as a below 18 years. Above 18 years only you have to allow. Below 18 years it will not be allowed. So the rest of the thing, you just click on next. And then it will ask you whether there are any subtitles to be added, any add on end screen you have to add. If you have to add, you can add that by clicking on the add. Otherwise you click next. Once you click on the next, the video keeps on uprolling and gets loaded to the screen. So once it is getting uploaded, then you have to tell whether it is for private or public use. If you want it to keep it yourself, click on private. If it is for everybody to see, you click on the public. Once you do that, you can see that the link to the video is already generated. So once that is generated, then you can take public. Once you click on the publish button, the video starts getting published. So once it is getting published, you will see something like this. This screen which shows that PUJ with urinoma in a 9-month-old is getting published here. So once it is published, you can share the link to your friends, colleagues, so that they can see the video and they can comment on that. And it is always better to put a voiceover in these videos so that people will understand what you are doing.